Hello again, I'm Dan Davies with AbleLink Smart Living Technologies with another 4-minute tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to create a YouTube video button on the Smart Living desktop. So let's get started. I'll launch the desktop here, and here's my login page with 4 users on the screen. First we're going to click on Han Solo's desktop button and open up his desktop. You see he has a few buttons already, and now we're going to add a YouTube video button to play a video when the button is clicked. To add a button, I right-click over the open area of the desktop and select the New Button option. Now when the button manager opens up, it's already selected the web category by default, but this is an advanced web button, so I'm going to click on the button that says Show Advanced Options below. First thing I do is I'm going to give this button a button title. This one's going to be called The Last Jedi. And this button is to play a YouTube video. So over here, I'm going to select Web Video. So first, after I do all that, I'm going to now select an image for the button. I click on the image over here with the globe on it, and that does a Google search for images using the term The Last Jedi. That's what I put on the button as the search term. This one here looks good. I'll click on it and display it in this way, and now I can drag it over onto the button and let go, and now I have an image for the button. Similarly, I can click the video search button here, and that's going to search YouTube for videos using the term The Last Jedi. So let's do that. Here we go. We've got a search of YouTube using The Last Jedi as the search term. So I've got a few different Star Wars videos. I'll pick this one here that says The Last Jedi Official Teaser. Once the video starts playing, I know I'm at the right page, so now I click on the address bar to highlight it. Now I click and drag the address back into the program here by dropping it onto the left-hand side here. Anywhere in the white space works fine. So I'll close that out, and I've got the YouTube address line here, the URL, on the button. I'm going to click Save, and now we have a new button to launch this YouTube video right on the desktop. So let's try it out. So I'll click on the button, and this will launch to YouTube using our WebTrek browser, and it starts playing the video automatically. So it's very easy to create a YouTube button and drop it onto the desktop and add as many buttons as you want based on the individual's interests. Now let me show you another feature. I'm going to click Exit here. Sometimes you want the video to automatically play in full screen when you launch the video, so it makes it very simple. So I'll right-click over the button to edit the button. Opens up the button manager. Once again, I'll click Show Advanced Options, and over here I'm going to click the checkbox that says Autoplay Video Full Screen. Let me save that out, and now this time when I click the button, it's going to launch the video in full screen. So let's take a look at that. Okay, here you see the video is playing in full screen and it automatically plays right away. Now let me show you another feature. I'm going to actually drag this video to the end. At the end of a YouTube video, oftentimes other videos are displayed for the individual to select from, and they can go on this endless journey of clicking on other YouTube videos. Sometimes that's problematic because the content of the videos that are displayed may not be the best content for individuals to spend their time clicking on, etc. So when a video is set up within Smart Living Desktop to play full screen, at the end of the video, even though other videos will be displayed, any one that you click on will actually close the program out with the web browser and take you right back to the person's desktop. So you can add as many video buttons to a person's desktop as they would like. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening.